Hey guys, happy anniversary. Happy birthday, actually. You're now 2 weeks old. Say hi to your public. Say hi. Hello. Say hi. Lux, say hi. Hi. Hello. Dante. Simba. Hi, Simba. Simba. Hi, say hi. Say hi. Say hi, Simba. Hi. Say hi. Hello. Hello. You gonna say hi? Happy 2 week birthday. Excuse me. You're now 2 weeks old today. As you can see, they're happy and healthy and playing with each other. Hi guys. Hi. And they said you wouldn't survive. We proved them wrong, didn't we? We proved them wrong. We proved them wrong. Yes, we did. Right? Say hi. Hello. 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 Say hi. Say hi, guys. Hi. Hello. Hi, guys. There was no way I was going to let you guys be stuck in that tree. Come a long way, right? Like the rest of our family are survivors. Even the vets told me you wouldn't survive, and look at this. Right? You tell them. Right? Yeah. Hi, guys. Hi. They said you guys wouldn't survive. Anything you want to talk? Anything you want to reply to on that? Huh? Yeah, I agree. Uh-huh. Yeah. Okay. Say goodnight. Say goodnight. Good night. Okay, they're going back to sleep, as you can see. And everybody's nice and healthy, and look how big they got, huh? Yeah, pretty soon they'll be on their own food. And I can get some sleep and not look like a zombie. All right, everybody. Have a good one. Bye.